Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. So first of all, open WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now simply open the conversation with a specific person or a group chat you wish to permanently delete messages from. So if you go ahead and long tap on a specific message that you have sent, like this, at the top, you'll be able to see a bin icon. Simply tap on it. Now over here, you'll see two of the options, that is delete for everyone, delete for me. Now if you simply tap on the option of delete for everyone, this message will be permanently deleted. However, if you only tap on the option of delete for me, that specific message will be deleted for you only and the other person will still be able to see that chat. Now, if you wish to delete the chat sent by the other person, let's long tap on it again. Here we go. Then again, tap on the bin icon at the top. Now you can see the option that says delete for me. So this specific message sent by other people to you on WhatsApp can be only deleted for you, but the other person can still see the messages that they have sent to you. So this is the only way through which you can permanently delete messages on WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.